Okay, so this week's hot new product comes courtesy of these guys, R1 Concepts. First of all, thank you for all the stickers. Look at that. I don't think anyone's ever given us this many stickers. But we're here to look at the actual products, and we've got two. So on my left here, or your right, this is just an OE replacement set for a non-project car that we threw into the order, and we're gonna kind of use it as a comparison. So let's at least open that first. So on both sides of the table is the Geo-Carbon series of brake rotors. These ones are going to be a little more performance oriented. These are an OE replacement, but they both come from the same series. Ooh, very nice too. Just move that for now. The Geo-Carbon series is coated in a corrosion resistant coating. As you can see, they also look really nice. Really love the design. There's vents to the sides if you can see them, not just these ones on the outside of the rotor, but on the inside of the top hats as well. But like I said, this, just an OE replacement, is designed to be equal or better than your OE rotors. And then both sets, the brakes, have the OEP series brake pads, which is along the same lines. It's designed to be better or equal to your OEM stuff. So we won't open these just yet. We'll open them with the big fancy kit over here. And then both sets also have hardware kits, which R1 Concepts was nice enough to include. But what's really cool about them, if you can see, let me see if I can take one out of here. So if you can't see, they're rubber coated. So this is designed to reduce road noise and vibration, which can lead to premature brake wear and stuff like that. Obviously, as you might expect, all this stuff is direct fit. You don't require any modification or craziness like that. It will fit as long as you order for the right application. But we're really here to see what's in here. Ooh, okay. So while they're both from the same series from R1 Concepts, which is the Geo-Carbon series, these ones are cross-drilled and slotted. As you might expect just by looking at them, they're much more performance focused. In addition to being great for daily driving and regular road use, these are also phenomenal for track use and even off-roading and things like that. These are going to last much longer and give you much more performance than your standard brake rotors. The drilled helps alleviate temperature on the surface of the rotor. It's by over 100, I think it's 105 or up to 105 degrees Fahrenheit. Point being, it's a huge reduction in heat, which equals less wear, less warping over time, and better brake performance over, getting brake fade in a span of rapid braking. What else can we say about these? Just like the others, they're coated in a corrosion resistant coating. And what's really neat is these diamond cut grooves. I believe they call it diamond cut technology, diamond slot technology. Hold on, let me consult, because I forgot what they call it. Diamond slot technology is the term I've been looking for. So these have diamond slot technology, and in their slots, this is to alleviate road dust and debris and brake dust and things that could build up on the rotor, which will also prevent pad glazing. So it's extending the life of your brakes overall. They also serve neatly as brake wear indicators. So when the neatly cut diamond tips on each of these slots start to fade out, that's your indicator that it's time to replace the rotor. So that's really nice. All in all, a really nice looking brake rotor, and it's not just about looks, this is ample performance as well. Now let's dig into some of these brake pads just to see what's going on with it. You know what, before I do that, I'm also going to take out the rears, so maybe they're slightly different. You'll find more of the same technology, looks a little different simply because of the brake setup. As you can see on the rears, everything's a little more tightly packed, so the drill holes are a little closer together. Just in general, the pattern of the drilled and slotting is much tighter together because it is a smaller surface area with a massive top hat. They look great doing it. Just like with the OE replacement set, obviously the rubber coated abutment clips, really appreciated. We'll take some shots of those out of the bag just so you can see up close, and all the brake hardware you're going to need for a quick replacement. Everything you need comes in all these packages, except brake lines, but nobody really does brake lines, right? And of course, the OE placement pads, just like everything else from the OEP series, or the Optimum OEP series from R1 Concepts, designed to be equal to or better than OE. Quick replacement, and these are going to last a long time. And of course, included hardware and clips. Much appreciated, guys. So a huge benefit to the Ultimate OE brake pads is they have a long wear, low noise, and they're very low dust compared to some OE formulas, but they still use the original equipment formulation, so they provide the correct friction for each vehicle and keep you safe, just like your OE brake pads. So whether you are looking to do a quick and simple but reliable OE brake replacement, or you want to replace your brakes with something considerably more performance oriented, you definitely got to head over to r1concepts.com. That is r1concepts.com, and you can check out what they have for your vehicle or tons of their options. They've got a little bit of everything for everyone. They're a big name in our industry. We've seen them at SEMA. We've done booth tours with them. We know they have all sorts of cool stuff, including customizable brake lines. So definitely check them out.